So guys, look at this. Wow. So guys, look at this amazing, this is juicy, saucy chicken thighs, guys. Look. Hello everyone, in today's recipe I'm sharing with you the most delicious, irresistible, juicy chicken thighs recipe. So this is my chicken seasoning. I'll add it with the chicken thighs. This is straight from Ghana. To that I'll add in garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper. So for the seasoning, you can use any seasoning of your choice. And then add in smoked paprika, curry, chili powder, ginger powder, vegetable seasoning, salt. Lastly, I'll add olive oil to it, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I'm using or that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything is added, mix till well combined. Not forgetting my rosemary is added. Mix till well combined. Just massage the spice in the chicken. Just massage it and mix till everything is well combined. My house is smelling amazing already, guys. So I'm going to marinate this for about from 2 to 4 hours. Just look at this amazing chicken, guys. Just look at this, guys. Look. Wow. This is white yogurt and I'll add it to it. So if you want, you can do it without the yogurt, but the yogurt makes it more juicy. It gives it extra taste, guys. This is going to be delicious. Add in the yogurt and mix white yogurt and mix it well combined again. Look at this. So guys, mix it well combined like so. Cover it with a clean film and let it marinate for at least from 2 to 4 hours. Overnight is even better if you want it more juicy. If you want to feel the spice and everything, make sure you do this overnight and trust me, you're going to love it. Cover it with a clean film and let it rest for some hours. After 4 hours, go ahead and arrange the chicken on your baking tray. This, then arrange. When done, sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on top. You can use any oil of your choice, but olive oil is the best. Into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius from 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. If you don't have oven, you can also use this one. You can also use a fryer, and since mine is a lot, I prefer making it in the oven. So this goes in the oven. So guys, look at this. Wow. Ooh. Wow. So guys, look at this amazing chicken. Oh, this is juicy. It is saucy, crispy, and it's so delicious. So at this point, all you have to do is to serve and enjoy. Guys, I'm done here and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed. So guys, look at this amazing, this is juicy, saucy chicken thighs, guys. Wow guys, look, wow.